This video will show you how to use BibleHub.com's feature to search the context of a scripture based on the book of the particular Bible. So just go to BibleHub.com. I always like to type in what verse up here and search for it. It always gives the first link. And if I'm taking a look and trying to find the context of the book of John, and I'm in John 3:16, if you use your mouse, you will see the text that's displayed for each of the icons. And this icon here says Bible Book Summary. If you click here, you will see a summary of the book of John, and it will give you an overview of when it was written, who the author was, the background of the particular verses, and just a general overview of the book that's written in whole. That's just a quick summary of BibleHub.com's Bible Book Summary feature.